you're watching German Gyan. My name is Gyan. Guys, in this video we're gonna cover A2 email third part. Yes guys, I hope you have already reviewed the earlier videos of emails and everything. If not, I'm putting here or here. Anyway, we'll be getting. So make sure to subscribe German Gyan in case you are watching for the very first time. Then my name is Nidhi and I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes and whatnot. So why to waste time and roll with German Gyan, and let's get into the video. Let's go.
A2 level email writing. The first question is for the informal email and the question is: Sie wollten mit Ihrer Freundin heute ins Schwimmbad gehen, müssen aber arbeiten. Schreiben Sie eine SMS an Ihre Freundin Roberta. It means that you wants to go with your friend to the swimming pool, but you also had to work, so you have to write an email to your friend Roberta and write the given points. And the first point is: entschuldigen Sie, dass Sie heute nicht kommen können. That means you have to say sorry that you cannot come today. Then schreiben Sie warum. So in this point you have to tell the reason. And then schlagen Sie einen neuen Termin vor means suggest a new meeting. And now you have to write this email into 20 to 30 words, and remember that you have to write on all the 3 points and the points should be in the correct order, means the order which they have given. So now let's see how can we write the email. So as the name of the person is already given in the email, means to whom you are going to write the email, so you can simply mention the name. And because this is an informal email, means you are writing this to your friend, so you can use a greeting liebe Roberta, then put a comma and start your email with the small letter. So, liebe Roberta, es tut mir sehr leid, ich kann heute nicht ins Schwimmbad kommen, weil ich arbeiten muss und noch viele Aufgaben habe. Wollen wir vielleicht morgen um 16 Uhr zusammen gehen? Liebe Grüße, Anna. So that's how you can write the email. We have already mentioned all the 3 points which are given in the question. So like this you can write the email. Now the second question is a formal email and the question is: Ihre Chefin Frau Hansen möchte, dass Sie am Freitagabend länger arbeiten. Schreiben Sie Frau Hansen eine E-Mail. That means the question says that your boss Miss Hansen wants you to work later on Friday evening. So you have to write an email to Miss Hansen and the 3 points are given which you have to include, and the points are: schreiben Sie, dass Sie einverstanden sind, means write that you agree. Then informieren Sie sich über die Arbeit, and Sie möchten dann gern in der nächsten Woche einmal früher nach Hause gehen, means you would then like to go home earlier one day next week. Now schreiben Sie 30 bis 40 Wörter, means you have to write 30 to 40 words and you have to write on all the 3 points which are given. So now the name of the person is already given in the question, means to whom we have to write the email. So you can just simply write or mention the name of the person, and because this is a formal email, so you have to follow the formal salutation, and that is sehr geehrte Frau Hansen, then put a comma and start the sentence with small letter. So ich bin einverstanden am Freitagabend länger zu arbeiten. Then können Sie mir bitte genau sagen, welche Aufgaben ich machen soll? Und nächste Woche möchte ich gern einmal etwas früher nach Hause gehen. So this is the email. You have covered all the 3 points, and if you want you can make some of the changes and can increase some of the words. And at the end, because this is a formal email, use a formal greeting which is mit freundlichen Grüßen and your complete name which is Anna Becker. So always remember, in formal email we write our complete name, and in formal we can just simply write the first name.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed. I hope you loved it. Thank you so much for showering lots of love. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.